They just went over the fence.
Paul, we're gonna get ourselves some victuals.
Now listen to my story about a man named Joe.
Paul, I can't see you, Paul.
Got him.
Oh!
Get it in the doornail.
Yeah. We're gonna get some good eating tonight. Watch the mic.
You make this right. He ain't gonna be messing with my chickens.
I want one.
I wouldn't trust you with one.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Why?
Because you'd be chasing me.
No, that would be Brandon.
Oh, yes.
Oh, you'd be chasing Brandon?
It's a baby gun, Andrea.
Oh, you
What
pumpkin.
did you say, Andrew?
Who's next?
Oh, yeah, look at
What do you think he's doing? Going on a rampage shooting people?
He didn't like dinner. Watch out for the dog.
Big squirrels to make a stew, Scott?
If they're fat, you only need 2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We got one.
Andrew, you're gonna go get that squirrel and
Fire it up.
Pluck them.
fry it up and make a squirrel stew.
I'm thinking of squirrel soon, or am I getting close to the guy?
What the hell is a squirrel soup?
You don't have to do the guy that's already dead.
It's your turn to cook, Andrea.
Let me see what you got filmed, baby doll.
Alright.